but it's a part of war, isn't it? Who are you with?
And Washington Post.
When you say it's a part of war?
The deaths are part of war, yeah.
Yeah, it's part of war. It's a sad part of war. It's the bad part of war.
Mr. President,
Did the United States bomb a girls' elementary school in southern Iran on the first day of the war and kill 175
No,
people?
in my opinion, based on what I've seen, that was done by Iran.
is that true, Mr. Hegseth? It was Iran who did that?
We're certainly investigating.
Still
But
investigating.
the only side that targets civilians is Iran.